So kids, now we are going to start with maths. Okay, so this is the book that we are going to follow, that is Let's Count 1 to 100 and Easy Learning Maths. Okay, first we will do Let's Count 1 to 100, page number 82 to 85. Okay, so if you open to page number 82, you will get the numbers. The previous pages we have already done, hai na? So this is the page. Today we have already done in our exercise book till 80. So now from this book we have to follow in a sequence, hai na? So here you will be getting 17 and 18 for page number 83. For page number 84 you will get 18. 17 and 18 are the numbers that we are going to learn. Okay, we have already finished up to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 1 0 10 in a single line, and for 11 12, okay, in this way you will write 13 14 15 16. Till 16 we have already done. So now we will be doing 17, one standing and again in this way 1 7 17, and for 18 1 8 18. In this way you will be doing the number 17 and 18 that we have learned today. Okay, so this is the homework for Let's Count 1 to 100, page 82 to 85. Only these two numbers you will get, and the thing that you will get in your book is this dotted and the blank page. What you have to do, you have to trace over, and the rest part you have to do it by yourself. Pause the video and note down page 82 to 85. And the second book that we are going to follow today is this book, that is Easy Learning Maths, page number 38 to 40. So if you open to page number 38, here the new thing you will get, that is one sentence. You might have noticed in your notebook that I used to write OTN. So today I will be teaching you what is that. Okay, so just have a look at the book. So this this stick contain 10 blocks. Okay, I'm going to show you this on the board. Okay, so suppose these are the blocks. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is the system. Okay, तो पहले क्या आता है, ones आता है, O for ones and T for tens. Okay, so this box contain total 10, this sticks contain total 10 blocks. So here what you will do, 10 blocks मतलब 1 यहाँ पे लिखोगे. Okay, in this way you can see 10 blocks make one tower. ये 10 blocks ने पूरा एक tower बनाया. That's why 110, okay, equals to 10. यहाँ पे tens में आप सिर्फ 1 लिखोगे. ठीक है, this ones I will show you what is this. Okay, so suppose again I have made one more tower of 10 blocks. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So यहाँ पे what you will get here, यहाँ पे मैंने 10 blocks बनाए. Again 10 blocks के कितने टावर है, 2 towers है. So here I will write 2. Okay, because यहाँ पे 2 tower है 10 blocks के. Understood? So here I am going to write 2 tens, मतलब कि 10 के 2 bundles है. That's why I have written here 2 tens. Okay, so similarly you will get here, that means 2 blocks means 20. Why 20? Because यहाँ पे 10 blocks है. Okay, so here again 10 blocks के 3 towers are there. That's why equals to 3 tens equals to 30. Again 10 blocks के कितने towers है, 4. That means 4 tens equals to 40. Now here you have to count and write. Okay, again these tower contain 10 blocks. That means how many towers are there, 1 2 3 4. 4 tens equals to 40. Again there are 2 towers of 10 blocks. That means 1 2 tower 2 tens equals to 20. Here 1 2 3 4 5 tens equals to 50. Again 1 tens equals to 10. Okay, so if you turn the page to page number 39, you will get something like this. Okay, tens and ones. Now what I have taught you, this is the sequence that we have to follow. First comes ones, then tens. Now what we have to write in this number, that I'm gonna show you. Okay, suppose I have 2 towers of 10 blocks and I have total 1 लूज ब्लॉक्स, ओके. यहाँ पे मैंने एक्स्ट्रा बना दिया. ऑलराइट, सो यहाँ पे इन टेंस में मैंने क्या लिखा था, 2 टावर बनाया था, तो यहाँ पे 2 टेंस आया. और यहाँ पे कितने लूज बीट्स है, ओनली 1. So I will write here 1. So if you will count all this, you will get total number 21. Okay, so similarly in this book also the same thing. Here one tower है 10 blocks के, so this will be 110 and only the 1 beats extra, so here it will be 1 1 11. That means 1 tens and 1 ones. 1 tens, 1 ones. Okay, so similarly the second one also, this one I'm going to show you. Okay, here ये पूरे towers को आप count करोगे ना, you will get 10 blocks. 1 tower में 10 blocks है, तो कितने tens हुए, only 1 tens. and यहाँ दूसरे जगह में 1 2 3 4 5, total 5. so यहाँ पे कितने ones हुए, 5. okay, so 1 5 15. in this way only, if I will write here 2. Total I have tens के 2 towers. Total 2 towers are there. So I have written here 2. Okay, in this way I have written here 2 and the loose ones are only 2. तो ये आ जाएगा ones के place में. अब मैंने कितना बनाया, total 2 loose beats बनाया ना. So here it will be 2 and if you count all this you will get 22. Okay, so let's see what is there in the exercise. So in this way you have to you can practice it in your exercise book also. Now if you turn the page, let's see what it is there. Again look at the each box, filling the blanks. One example has been done for you. Here the example is given. I'm going to show you 1 or 2, rest you will do it by yourself. Okay, so here these 2 blocks contain these 2 tower contains 10 blocks. That means 2 tens we have got. Now the loose beats are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. तो ये जो 7 है ना, ये आ जाएंगे ones में. That means total number is 27. 2 tens and 1 1 make 21. 1 10 and 2 ones make 12. 4 tens and 3 ones make 43. because आपको ये फॉलो करना है, 10 के कितने टावर है और लूज बीट्स कितने हैं, आपको वो देखना है. ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू फिनिश अप दिस पेज नंबर. सो हाउ मेनी, so these are the things that you have to do. Okay, so what were the exercise, page number 40 and page number 38 is your homework. You have to do it by yourself and the rest pages you can practice at your home. So pause the video and note down this. For easy learning maths, 38 to 40. Let's count 1 to 100, page 82 to 85. So kids, that's all. So kids, just now we have finished up with maths, right? Now we will be moving on to English. So for English, we are going to follow this book today. The name of the book is Cursive, Capital and Small Letter Books, and this is the book. Okay, just have a look over here. Now today we are going to do page number 24, 25 and 26. Okay, here you are going to get new letter, that is H. Cursive capital H and cursive small h. H is for horse. What we have learned? We have learned from A, B, C, D, E, F till G we have already learned. Now today we are going to do H. Okay, just for your remembrance I am going to do it again. So this is the A, cursive capital A and small. Now this is the cursive capital B and the small b. Okay, this is cursive capital C and this is small c. Okay, here it's cursive capital D and this is cursive small d. Okay, this one is E and here it's small. Okay, now F, how we have done? A, B, C, D, E, then F we have already done, है ना, in this way, and G also we have already finished up with G. Now today the thing that we are going to learn is H. Okay, for H you will write in this way, one standing line and again one standing line and this a circle. You will get cursive capital H and the small h will be something like this. Okay, so this is the letter that we have learned today, and if you have a, just have a look at the book. In page number 24, what you will get, it's cursive capital H. Okay, in this way, this 3 lines you just have to trace it, and the other rest line you have to write down by yourself. Okay, and if you turn the page, it's page number 25, you will get cursive small h. Again the same thing, 3 lines, it's given dotted, so you have to trace it, and the rest part you have to do it by yourself. Now if you turn the page, then this is the thing that you're going to get in page number 26, the revision part, cursive capital H and cursive small h. Okay, so these 3 pages from cursive caps and small book, this is your homework, and along with this you will be getting the homework for your exercise book also. See, in this way, write cursive A to H. We have already done in book also. So here in your exercise book, you have to do it in this way. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H till H. Okay, in both your exercise book, class book also, as well as your homework exercise book also. Okay, so this is the thing that we have done in English. So kids, that's all. Thank you so much. So students, just now we have finished up with English. We have done maths also, we have done English also. Now we will be doing EVS and GK. Okay, this is the book we are going to follow today. This is EVS activity book. Okay, so today we are going to do page number 20 to 23. Okay, so if you open to page number 20, you will get something like this, the blank page. But what you have to do over this blank page, let's see. Draw and color your favorite fruit below. We all like some of the fruits, है ना? Like I may like mango, you may like banana or apple, है ना? So whatever fruits you like, you have to draw here, and then you need to color it. Suppose you like apple, then draw the apple and color it red, or the mango or the watermelon. Okay, whatever fruits you like, you have to draw here. Okay, now turn the page. It's page number 21. Okay, write V for vegetables and F for fruits. Among this picture, whatever from this, whatever the things are fruits, you have to write F over there, and the things that those are vegetables, you have to write V over there. Okay, so this is radish. Radish is a vegetable, write here V. This is, the second one is apple. Okay, so apple comes under fruit, so write here F. This is, what is this? Mossambi, hai na? So this is also a fruit. You can say this in English, sweet lemon. Okay, so this is also a fruit, so write F here. This is pineapple, write F, fruit. This is a cauliflower, vegetables, hai na? So this also you have to write V, yes, V, okay, vegetable. So in this way you have to complete all this, F for fruits and V for vegetables. Okay, so now turn the page. It's page number 22. Put a tick on the underground vegetables. Now first of all, you have to know what is underground vegetables. Okay, underground vegetables are those vegetables that grows under the mud. Okay, like potato. पोटैटो क्या होता है? पोटैटो क्या ऊपर ग्राउंड के ऊपर उगता है या नीचे? ऑफ कोर्स डाउन, है ना? सो दीज द वेजिटेबल्स दैट ग्रोज अंडर द ग्राउंड आर कॉल्ड अंडरग्राउंड वेजिटेबल्स. ओके, सो यू हैव टू पुट अ टिक इन द अंडरग्राउंड वेजिटेबल्स. लाइक पोटैटो grows under the ground, so put a tick mark over here. This is a pumpkin. Pumpkin doesn't grow under the ground, it needs support. Okay, so this is the wrong. And this is carrot. Carrot is also underground. Actually it is a root vegetable. Okay, so ये भी underground में ही होता है, so put a tick mark. Radish, underground vegetable, tick mark. Lemon, no, it grows in a tree, so wrong. Chili also, it is not an underground vegetable. Onion, yes, onion is also underground vegetable, put a tick mark. Spinach, no. And the last is turnip. Turnip is also a underground vegetables. Okay, so in page number 23 you will get this. Put a tick on the vegetables we used in a sandwich. We all like to eat sandwich, है ना? But do you know what are the ingredients? What are the vegetables that it needs? So you have to put a tick mark. Those vegetables that we put in a sandwich. Tomato, yes, tick mark. Potato, no. Then this is turnip, no. Yes, also no. So, okay, then just put a cross mark. Okay. Pumpkin, no. Onion, yes. Lady finger, no, wrong. Brinjal also wrong. And cucumber, yes. So these are the vegetable: cucumber, onion and tomato. Put a tick mark over there. Okay. So this is your homework for EVS activity book, page number 20 to 23. Okay, you have to complete all these pages. All right, that's all students. Thank you very much. तो बच्चों, हमने इंग्लिश मैथ्स कर लिया है, अब हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं हिंदी। ठीक है, तो हमने कुछ अक्षर पहले से ही कर लिया था ना, क ख ग घ च छ ज झ इया तक। तो आज हम करेंगे ट से लेके अण तक। ठीक है, तो आपको अपने क्लास वर्क और होमवर्क एक्सरसाइज बुक में लिखने होंगे। ट से अण तक लिखो, ट ठ ड ढ अण। तो चलिए आइए, मैं आपको बोर्ड में दिखाती हूँ। मैंने पहले से ही आपको ये पहले से ही हमने सीखा है क ख। तो आज हम सीखने जा रहे हैं ट ठ ड ढ। ठीक है, तो ट से टमाटर, ठ से ठेला, ड से डमरू, ढ से ढक्कन, अण से कुछ भी नहीं। तो इस तरह से आप अपने एक्सरसाइज बुक में लिखोगे। तो आइए फिर से पढ़ते हैं। क ख ग घ अंग, च छ ज च इया, ट ठ ड ढ अण। तो ये अक्षरों को आप अपने कॉपी में लिखेंगे एक्सरसाइज बुक में इस तरह से। पूरा यहाँ पे आप लोग एक एक लाइन छोड़ के एकदम साफ नीट एंड क्लीन हैंडराइटिंग में आप लोग यहाँ पे लिखोगे। ठीक है, तो बच्चों हम अब अगले वीडियो में मिलेंगे। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच, टेक केयर।